Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebenezer, and if today is your first time visiting my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So on this channel, I help and I guide international students who want to study in the US, Canada, or any country of their choice successfully apply to programs. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to get schools in the US and then specific programs that you want to apply to. Sometimes as an international student, if let's say you are new to the study abroad process, it becomes challenging to even get specific schools and programs that you want to apply to. So the quick or the best way to go about this process is to leverage on AI tools. And AI tools like, let's say, ChatGPT could assist you in doing this within few seconds. So how do you go about this? So let's say you are interested in applying to, let's say, a program like Masters in Environmental Health in the US. So how do you get schools to apply to? So you can just give ChatGPT a prompt like, give me 20 universities in the US that offers Masters in Environmental Health, and within, let's say, few seconds, it will give you this the list of the schools and then the programs. So after that, you can then zero in on each of these programs. You visit their or you search on their website to find out the application admission requirements. So the admission requirement here, we are talking about the your statement of purpose, your transcripts, and then also your personal statements, and sometimes GRE, though GRE is optional for some US schools. So after you meet the requirements, you can then decide to email the program coordinator about additional requirement that the program might need. Don't forget to search for schools that offer, let's say, funding, because funding is a key for international students. So another way of doing this, let's say you are also interested in a specific states in the US. You want to apply to specific states in the US. Let's say you want to apply to Indiana State. So Indiana is a state in the US with, let's say, a lot of universities. So you can then give ChatGPT another prompt like, give me a list of schools at Indiana State that offer MS in environmental health. That is if you are interested in environmental health. So all these are general prompts, and you can edit it to, let's say, fit your specific need. So if you give ChatGPT these prompts, it will also give all the schools at Indiana that offers MS in environmental health. So then you can then zero in and then follow the same process, searching for the admission requirements, finding opportunities, and also emailing program coordinators. So this is a quick way of, getting a list of schools in the US to apply to. And please, the study abroad journey is not easy, but it is possible. Don't listen to naysayers, just be focused and also resilient, and be consistent in this process. And remember, it is possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can recommend this channel to your friends who are also in this journey. Thank you, and see you in my next video.